Alrighty, everybody. Thank you so much for coming. It's an absolute honor to be here with Dr. Gabriel Cousens. Just to give you a full introduction of what we're doing here and who we are. In my opinion, this is a unique event that you really can't find anywhere else. We have this combination of local farmers and world-renowned speakers and lecturers and holistic doctors. And what we are is the premier wheatgrass and microgreen growers. So I'm from Perfect Foods, and this is my mom Elise. And she and I and my dad, Harley Matzel, have, my dad and my mom have been growing wheatgrass and microgreens since 1982 in New York. So Perfect Foods is our company, and we distribute to over 450 juice bars and health food stores in the tri-state region. And we have really made it our mission to supply these fresh organic foods to the tri-state region and to the masses. And with that, our recent goal and mission has been to bring in world-renowned speakers and holistic doctors and physicians to actually speak about the science and their philosophy on this lifestyle of raw foodism and veganism and plant-based diet, and just to show what an impact this really can have on you and your lives. So I also wanted to introduce our guest speaker, who is Dr. Gabriel Cousens. He is both a rabbi and a holistic physician. He's written 13 books. He has set up camp in many other countries around the world, teaching his philosophies and healing people from all around the world. He's had thousands and thousands of people come through his retreat and Tree of Life in Arizona, and heal themselves through juicing and fasting and veganism. And he really integrates beautifully the idea of spirituality within healing your body. And he just said to me earlier today something that touched me, that you can't have spiritual growth without a healthy body, and you can't have a healthy body without spiritual growth. So